Hey everybody, here's an awesome bike, an incredibly rare. It's a CRF450L dual sport. It's designed as an 80-20 bike by Honda Canada, which means it spends 80% of its life on the trail and 20% of its life getting from trail to trail. It's 450cc race-bred engine, fuel injected, liquid cooled, has LED headlights, taillights, and directional signals on it. It's in excellent shape, one owner bike, bought here, traded in here, has 6,900 kilometers on it, was well maintained. If you have any questions about this bike whatsoever, give us a call, 905-294-2355, or email us at info@markhamoutdoorpower.com. This one will not last long. They are very rare, and the deal on this thing is incredible. So give us a call now.